Hi, and welcome to my studio. I'm doing some tidying up today, so I thought it'd be fun to bring you along with me while I spruce up the office and show you around a little. I work as a designer, artist, and illustrator, and I sell my art, jewelry, and home goods right here from my home studio. I mostly use this space to make art, produce products, and ship to my customers. I believe having a neat and tidy workspace helps with having a calm mind and making creative work. I know everyone works in different ways, but as I've gotten older, this is what I've found is the best way for me. My space is not perfect, and there's more I'd like to do with it, but it works pretty well for me now. It's something I continue to work on and change over time. But I am so grateful for this space. I spend a lot of time here working and creating things. It's a special place for me. My workspace is right next to my living room, located in my own home. I'm a mother of 2 young ones, and I'm a work-from-home mom. So it's important for me to have a space where I can work and my family can also be with me. It comes with its struggles sometimes when I really need to get things done, but overall, it makes the most sense for our family, and I'm happy to be working this way. I'm very fond of vintage design, but I also love a minimal and modern aesthetic. So I have a mix of old and new when it comes to furniture in my workspace and home. I also love adding plants to a space to give it some warmth and texture. This is where my jewelry pieces live. My business started with an Etsy shop 8 years ago. I used to make everything I sold with my own hands, but in the last few years my business has grown, and I'm lucky to now have 2 wonderful production assistants to help me make my products. Mostly my products are made to order, but I like to have a good-sized batch on hand to quickly fulfill orders. are my brass laser cut pieces. I design them and work with a laser cutter who cuts them out of brass sheet metal. We do all the finishing and assembling into jewelry here. I just got in a batch of art prints from my printer. They come shipped in a tube, so I'm flattening them out with a book. Then I'll sort them, package them, and send them off. I sell my work both direct to customer, and I also have wholesale partnerships with retail shops across the country, where they stock my work at their brick and mortar stores. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for hanging with me in the studio today. I hope you found this useful or inspiring in some way. I'd like to make more videos showing the various ways I make art, products, or run my business, so please let me know if there's anything else you're interested to know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Otherwise, you can find me and my art online at paulinestanleystudio.com or on social as Pauline Stanley Studio. Thanks for watching.